So hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you my latest project on which I'm working just right now. So this kind of application that I have made I'm showing you the prototype. I'm also working on the UI part also that I will show you at the end of the video possible. But let's see the prototype of it that I made using this Streamlit. So here, first of all, we have to drop a file on which we want to talk to a LLM. So I have made a file like a CPU fictional story. I will just try to upload this. Yeah. Let me first tell you what this file contains. This file contains some fictional story about a college called SGBU, and it's a Swedish Gyanwar University. And here we have some fictional names of some HOD of the department that is totally fictional. So here it has done like extraction. This is the first one that I had done for the testing purpose. I have deleted that. So here it is. So we have a total 2214 characters that has been extracted from this file SGBU fictional story, and that is stored in here in our Docker, where OpenSearch is running on another port, where OpenSearch is a kind of vector database that will store this text uh, file version into a vector form. So here, when I will go to the chatbot and when I will ask about the SEO, it will not work. As if I will just try to show you, just go to the command line. And the LLM that I'm using is basically a Gemma 3.1 billion. So if I will just try to run Ollama, run Gemma 3 and 1 bit. So here it is. It is running live on 11434 number port that I have. So here it is. So if I will just ask, the style was so info. So here is the all the information about the model that I'm using at the backend using the Ollama. So if I just say hi, it will obviously say you hi. Yeah. Okay, let's close this. So if I will ask here about anything about SGB, it will not tell as it's a LLM trained by a company that don't know about SEO. So if I will just enable the tag mode, it will now tell me everything based on the document that I have given to it. So let's start. They are asked how many departments in SEO Suresh Gyan Bihar University, and we can set the temperature. Temperature basically means if I will just increase it, it will be more flexible. But if I will just decrease it, it will be more stick to the text that it has got. So I will just set it to the 0.5, this main value. So I will just write enter. So this prompt will be given to the LLM that is running at the background. At which number port? Let me show you as DDP, and then local K local host 113.434, and I think it's triple T. It is Ollama is running on this port. So it will give at the background. So the context state that there is a 50 departments of SEO. Write a short note on SEO. So here it is that it will start writing. Just wait for a second. It is processing the text as it is a local LLM. As my computation power is not that much good. And I'm also running the 1 billion parametric model. So it will take some time. But if you just shift this whole project work system where we have the higher RAM and higher processing power, so it will definitely do a great thing. Like it is a local LLM. So we can also send this all the prompt to API to Gemini or any uh, transformer that is available my current state at the online. So these are the things that it has written about the S0. So this all things is based on the document that I have provided to it, this document, and this is highly dependent on that. So this is an example of a RAG-based model, which works on the context that we have given to it. And after that, based on the thing that is available on that document, it will reply to your queries or the prompts. So this was all about the process. Hope you got it.